We've invited along some experts today to show us how we can have fun and play in these exhibits. Experts, are you ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1, play!
You want to help me with the wolf? No problem, buddy. I'll send you more. Huh. I love you, Mama.
In our marketplace, kids can shop for their favorite food.
We need a kite. You want a donut? How pink? No, you have to eat it.
I eat it, sorry.
I'm ready to check out. How was your day today? The apple fell off the tree. Yeah. Oh, this is very delicious corn. Zucchinis. Wait, it's not connected. Yay, I did it. I got it to fit. Oh, what is this? Is this oh, wow. The heart rate is too low. My blood pressure's at 4,000. Let's see if we can blow it up so high that it actually floats. This raccoon is hurt. We're fixing its foot. It's a bat! Yeah, okay, let's do the weighing. This cat broke his neck. This cat needs a cast. Oh, this is cool. Your bone's coming out. This is the glassy area. This is the baby pig. Go back in the water. Come on. What's that? I want to go in there. Wow. Can you read to us? I can read. It's just not everyone.
KidSpark is now open, and we can't wait for you to come explore with us. Book your visit at ontariosciencecentre.ca.